Hello everyone, Dr. Welch here. I'm going to guide you through the first assignment in Module 1. So you should have already completed the course entry quiz and the AI and plagiarism quiz, and now here in Module 1. So you first want to start by reading the introduction and the background. And then you'll want to pull up this overview of the discipline's PowerPoint and review that material. That material is mainly what your first assignment is going to be on. You need to make sure that you understand the distinction between the different disciplines. What are the characteristics of the humanities? What are the characteristics of the natural sciences? What are the characteristics of the social sciences? You want to be able to distinguish between those three, okay? And then you should take a look at the discipline's examples. Now, this doesn't identify what discipline belongs with each example, but you should take a look at that outline, or excuse me, at that PowerPoint, and then look at these and be able to tell based on the features and how the work is structured and the content. You should be able to determine what discipline applies to each text. So there's just 3 of them here for you to take a look at. And so you want to take a look at these real quick and then figure out, well, which one of these is a humanities text, which of these is a natural science text, which of these is a social science text. Okay, so you want to do that. After you feel like you've got a handle on that, and if you're struggling with it, send me an email so I can help you out. You're then going to do your first assignment, which is the overview of the discipline's discussion board. You just click on it. You're going to see that this is your prompt, and it looks like you're going to write 150 words in your original post. You'll type your response down here, make sure it's good spelling, good grammar, that sort of a thing. You know, college level writing is what we're aiming for. And then you'll click respond, and it will post it, and then you will go in and reply to at least 2 different peers with at least 100 words in each of your peer responses. Okay, so that's all that's needed for the first assignment. It's nice, short, and simple, and if you have questions, let me know.